purse, this shit high, boy.
What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rich, and hey, we're coming correct, starting the new year off right, because today I got the Spider-Man 2 PS5 bundle right here, and I'm gonna unbox it and review it for you guys. I know I'm like 3 years late on the PS5 wave because this came back out in like 2020, and if you've been living under a rock or something, you know that PS5s were hard to get like when they first released. Here in the US, I'd walk into like my local Best Buy and Target, and they'd just be signs saying, hey, we're out of stock, try again next year, buddy. It was just so impossible to get one of these, you know? I have the original PS4 Spider-Man right over here. This is, if you guys know, the one that had the original Peter Parker face model, right? Not the new one when they changed it to a younger version. Weird looking Peter Parker, in my opinion. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I've also had all the PlayStations growing up from the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and all of them happen to be slims. I think that's partly due to that I never really buy the PlayStation on release day because it's too hectic. And by the time that I can get my hands on one, they come out with the slim version models, which, hey, I'm not complaining. I think the slim ones are much better. I know like the PS2 and the PS3, they actually did a lot with improving the cooling and airflow all throughout. And they just cut down on unnecessary places. In the end, I think the slim models take up less space, and some of them do look cooler in my opinion. But anyways, enough jibber jabber. I'm super excited, super stoked about this. So I got the camera right up here. You'll see my unboxing as I do it. But yeah, this one I got at Sam's Club. Yeah, PS5 look. It's crazy. I've been waiting 3 years for this. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. All good? Yep. All right, this is pretty cool. All right, let's get this open. Get my trusty knife out. Well, pow. Okay. Ooh. All right, we got an AC power plug. Let's put that aside real quick. Damn, I kind of teared this part. I'm trying to make this a clean unboxing, you know what I'm saying? Oh, here we go. All right, here's the DualSense controller. I'm used to calling it a DualShock. That's how you know I'm an old head. Oh, baby. Oh, wait. Dang, that's fresh. Look, I've used a lot of PS5 controllers before, but usually they're my friends or like the display models at the store, and they're just so greasy and I don't know, this oily, blah, blah, but having a fresh DualSense controller just looks so cool. I mean, look at this. It's really lightweight too. PlayStation had some mediocre controllers before from the PS1 to the PS3. They switched it up for the PS4, which I thought was okay. I always thought the Xbox controllers were a little bit better, but I like this a lot. You got USB-C in the back. You hear that? I'm gonna love this. From the start to the end, you just a fan. Why I'ma tell you these and that's how I run it on bands. I need that bag today, so I got time to be. Okay, okay. Instruction manuals. I'm not sure if anyone really reads these. So here's the Spider-Man 2 voucher. Let me just scratch that for y'all real quick so I can take it. Nah, I ain't playing. It's my code. None of y'all are gonna get it. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, damn. Wait, this is way smaller than I thought. I guess they call it slim for a reason. This is kind of dope. No, this is freaking dope. And they have like a little PlayStation, you know, X square circle triangle logo down here. You know, love it or hate it, I think disc drives still have a place today. Something classic about inserting a disc while you're playing games. It just feels like you're holding an actual physical copy of something and just putting it in. It's kind of like a turntable with music, you know? Alright, can put that there. Same thing with this one. Guess it should stay. Hey, boom, baby. The white is so clean. It's gonna match the gaming PC right back there and kind of like the whole white aesthetic of the studio. But yeah, I am gonna look for a vertical stand because I do want to mount this up vertically. But now I'm gonna get this set up on my ultra wide monitor back here. I know PS5s don't support ultra wides. I have another 32-inch 1440p monitor coming in soon next week that I'm gonna put over here and get that connected. So look out for that video because it's gonna be like a desk setup upgrade tour. So yeah, let me try to get this somewhere. So this will do for now. Please don't leak for my cable management. I'm gonna wait for the other monitor and stuff to come in. So I'm just gonna play on this for the rest of the week. But let's see what it's like. Classic PlayStation Deep. Guess we gotta connect the C to C cable. Dang, where'd I put it?
Your controller to the console with the USB cable and press the PS button.
Bro, what? Is this some AI? Alright, chill, I will. Yes, give me a second. It looks like they just got like some speech diction to like translate them.
Branchez votre manette de jeu sur la console à l'aide d'un câble USB. Connectez tout contrôle à la...
It's 2:50 p.m. on a Saturday right now. It's kind of windy outside. I think definitely do want to stay and play this all night. What if the girls start texting me, you know, hey, I can't talk to you right now, I'm on the PS5 with the boys. I do also have Gran Turismo 7 on the PS4, and I heard that if you can update that to the PS5 version for only $10, so I definitely do want to see what that's like. Okay, so the slim model says it's 30% reduced in size from the original standard model. The slim model also offers a full terabyte of internal storage versus 825 gigs before in the standard. I thought 825 was always kind of weird. I'm not sure where they pulled that number from. This gotta finish up somehow, bro. Come on. It's taking too long now. Bro, let me play. I just want to play. Isn't this a PlayStation? Alright, we're in. I had to take a little bit of a break because I forgot my PSN sign in, so I had to do the stupid password reset. This is my first impression, and we're finally in the loading screen, baby. I think this is pretty sweet, It does look kind of blown out on the monitor, which is okay. I'll get a new one soon. Alright, let's get this over with. I mean, you guys can take this code if you want. I'm trying to put it in faster before you guys put it in. Hold on. Hey, let's go. Another hour. I'll be back. Alright, so here's Gran Turismo 7. I was right, it's only a $10 increase to upgrade from PS4 to PS5 version. So let's just do that right now so I get the game. Bam, another $10. So I just came back, and one thing I just found out that you can't change backgrounds or themes on the PS5. I was like searching through the menu for a little bit to see what can I do to change the color and all that. I mean, this is okay, but I wanted to customize it myself. The PS4 had a lot of options. I used to go in the store and download and buy different themes, like the Firewatch theme, which is really popular. But it looks like we can't do that here. All right, it's finally finished. Let's boot it up. Come on, load fast, maybe. Damn, this is like a movie or something.
I will never let you go.
Oh no. Bro, where you come from, bro? No. Oh my, how did he end up in his underwear? Oh, what's up, Miles? How you doing, bro? Yeah, you gotta go to school, get that good grades up. Yeah, school's not that easy, right? I graduated, take it from me. It was hard, man, it's hard. Let's get it. Miles has that fresh fade though. Let's see what's up. Look at this. I always love these like chaotic starts to Spider-Man series. Like you just jump right into the action. There's no hesitation. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on right now. Helicopters is, yo, America's getting raided right now, everyone, bro. Yeah, come on. Yeah, let's go. Damn, Sam is huge, bro. I didn't think he'd be this big. That's what she said. All right, y'all, that's the unboxing. I'm gonna be playing this for the rest of the night. I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? This is exciting. You should try yoga. Peace.